Hello, this is a quick Shoop tutorial because Michael was wanting it. Basically, it's one bass line all the way through with a chord in the verses. So the bass line is basically this: it's C, the C and A sharp, and you stick an E in there. So it goes C. So it does that all the way through the song. We'll probably, really it's just the bass, and probably I'll play it a bit heavier in the choruses. But in the verses, we just alternate between the chord, I think it's C7, so that's a C. It's that one, so it's C with the little finger on the 3rd fret up, 3rd string up. So 3rd fret, 3rd string. Is that a C7, I think? I think that might be a C7. But whatever that is, anyway. And that just plays over the bass. Bum, 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. So basically, so what's the structure? At the beginning, it starts off with a "Ooh yeah, I wanna shoot, baby," and it plays that 4 times. That's the 2nd, 3rd time. You look like a puppet.
I know, I thought that. I look like a muppet.
After that 4th one, the bass line carries on playing the same thing, but I'll then alternate between the chord like that. Until we get to the chorus, and then we'll all play that. We'll just highlight that bit there, and then I don't know what the rest of us do, but as long as the bass line goes all the way through, I think we'll be fine. So we'll try it with the rap. Yeah, wicked, wicked. Can you kick it? Okay, so 4 of these at the beginning, go into the chord, and then Vicky will lead us into the chorus each time. Here we go.
Here I go, again goes what's my weakness, man. Okay then, chillin', minding my business. Just sort of looked around and I couldn't believe this. I swear, I said, my niece, my witness. The brother had it going on, something kinda wicked. Had to kick it. I'm not shy, so I asked for the digital. No, that don't make me see that I wanna slide to his whistle. In my head, to bag my bag of tricks, then I flip for a tip, make me wanna do tricks from licking. Like a lolly punch me lick, came to my senses and I chilled for a bit. Don't know how you do the voodoo that you do so well, as a spell hell makes me wanna shoot.
Shoop-a-doop, 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 ba-doop, shoop-a-doop, 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 ba-doop.
Oh, you got to miss that, especially in the back. You're the one I thank your mother for a butt like that. Cannons fries with a shake, baby. If this could kill you, would be a Uzi or a shotgun. Damn, what's up with that thing? I wanna know, how does it hang? Straight up, wait up, hold up, Mr. Lover. Like Princess, you're a sexy mother. Yeah, like a real wild B-boy style by the mile. Smooth black skin with a smile, bright as the sun. I wanna have some fun. Come and give me some of that yum chocolate chip honey dip. Can I get a scoop? Come and take a ride in my coupe. You make me wanna shoot.
Shoop-a-doop, 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 ba-doop.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I love you when you big dreams. You give me nice dreams. You make me wanna scream. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like what you do. What you do. What you do. You make me wanna shoot.
Shoop-a-doo, shoop-a-doo, shoop-a-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo, shoop-a-doo, shoop-a-doo, shoop-a-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. And yeah, I nearly slipped my finger. All right, okay, there we go. The last verse is half the length. We cut it off just before, in the original song, the man comes in and kind of raps back to the girl.
And he says terrible things.
Awful things, and it doesn't suit my wife's feminist sensibility. Love you, bye.